Okay. Now that the sun is starting to go down, it's less hot. Let's try to put this door card back on. Which I believe just kind of does that, maybe. I don't know. Let's look at it. You know, while we're in here, we might as well take a look at the windshield washing fluid. Oh yeah, empty. Do we have any windshield washing fluid? I don't think so. Okay, we'll add that to the list. You know what? I think my dad actually has some. I know I had one. I know I had some at one point. Is that? Am I totally wrong? Just not go here? I'm pretty sure this goes here because I don't think this is supposed to be like this. In the grand scheme of interior car design, that's pretty rough. So that's got to be there, right? But then what is this here for? And why is this broken? Is this not supposed to be here? Is this supposed to be taken out? Let's take that off. Let's take that off. That's what we're gonna do. Yeah, something tells me that was not what that was for. It says to me that somebody's been in here besides me. Although this is the kind of thing that I would do, just shove some wood screws into this into this wall anchor, as if it's supposed to go like that. You know, I've been known to do things like that before, but I don't even think those are supposed to be there. There's plastic bits. Yeah, this. Nope. Okay. You know what? No. Now we're cooking with gas. See, that looks like it's supposed to look like that. Okay, so that handle goes on top of this. But I still don't think those screws were the right screws. Anyway, one thing at a time. Okay, well. This back door lock thing is not... Does this do anything? Is this accomplishing anything? Yeah, I guess so. Well. This is where you go, little fella. You're gonna go, yep, this is where you belong. Oh, okay, so, okay. I see what happened. Using my incredible powers of deduction, I have reconstructed the story. This broke. The lock mechanism broke for the back door, and so in order to be able to lock the door, they took this off so they could access this. I suspect that's what happened. So in order to right that wrong, I guess we need to figure out what to do with this so we can access, so we can get a hold of this. That's kind of a fun little side project. Okay, side project. Let's fix this. Alright, let's go see what jumps out at us. Is there a thread on here? See, there's tape on here like somebody tried to do something. Alright, so here's the plan. This is a wire terminal, and I'm going to glue it onto here so we can use it. Yeah, that's kind of the plan. We still might need some length though. Let me get some rod. Okay, this is gonna work. But we gotta get this tape off. Let's do that. Let me get a knife. I don't know much about dancing. That's why I got this song. One of my legs is shorter than the other, and both of my feet's too long. Okay, what I don't want to do is cut my finger, which seems like a likely occurrence. Nope. All right. Hoping one day I might get it right. I'm a dancing fool. Yeah, so you can see that there is just a straight up screw thread on here, which is going to give us plenty of surface area to glue to. All right, welcome back. A couple of things. One, I don't think I'm going to try to glue it. I think this metal is so soft that I think I'm just going to put it on here and then try to crush it, try to deform it around it, and use that to keep it in place. Alrighty. Well, I guess we don't need the wire nut then. Okay. So that'll at least get us in the neighborhood. Alrighty, so these little guys actually go here. Okay, see there's one and there's one, and I'm going to slide this one in. They slide in so that once everything's in place, we can kind of shove it and it'll go into these holes, and that will keep everything secure. Yeah. And one of them broke. Two of them broke. And we're still missing some pins, but I have this. This is an assortment of all sorts of different retaining pins for cars specifically for this purpose. Just so happens to have the exact right one we need. I hope. Yep. And obviously the broken ones are going to have to stay broken for right now. Let's see if we can't pop this in place. Whether or not this is a good idea to do this now, as opposed to once we check the electricals and everything. You know, who's to say? Ah, this one's broken. We'll replace that while we're here. Okay. Very lovely. Just like she rolled out of the factory. Handle. Do we want to use these same screws? Well, you know, the threads are already there. All right. Now, in that case, my suspicion is that these holes, these threaded holes, are actually for like a net or like a something that you put here to put stuff in. You know, some kind of accessory. But we don't need that right this second, so that's okay. Okay, so let's clean up all this stuff.